Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel VBA Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this video we will learn dates in a VBA, right? So how to work or how to handle the date in VBA. So guys, in this video we will learn that how to add days, right, months or years in the existing date, right, with the help of formulas and functions, right? So let me show you all the things with the help of a small program, right guys? So now I'm going to write a program where you can understand all the things one by one. So first of all, I'm declaring a one variables type of date, right? So I'm assigning a one date to the variable d1. So suppose I'm assigning a 10 24 2020, right? So I have assigned just 10 24 to 2020 to the d1 variable, right? So guys, first I want to add the days, means I want to add 4 days into this date. So how would I do that? So I have a one method, that is date add. So with the help of date add, I'll use I'll add the 4 days into this date. So how would I do that? So debug dot print basically we use to print the values in the immediate window, right? So we have method that is date add. So date add methods has 3 parameters. First is interval as a string, and second one is number as double, and the third one is date, right? Interval as a string here, that what you want to add a date, year or what. So I want to add, so I want to add the days, right? So for this I have to declare a d here. So let me show you the some intervals here, right? You can see that if you want to add the year, you can use this interval. If you want to add quarter, you can use q. If you want to add month, you will use m. If you want to add day of year, you will use y. If you add if you will use day, so you will use d here. For weekdays, w. For week, ww, right? So I want to add days. So how many days you want to add? I want to add 4 days, right? And what is the date? That is the date, right guys? So I am executing this program. So after executing, you will see the output in the immediate window, right? Here you can see that the date is 28 here after adding the 4 days into this date, right guys? And another, that if you want to add the years, if you want to add the months, you will simply use my. If you want to add the week, you can use ww. So I'm using how to add week, right? I want to add 1 week into this date. So how would you do that? So I'm executing the program. Now you can see that 1 week has been added. 1 week means 7 days. 7 days has been added into 24 equal to 31, right guys? So guys, if you want to subtract the days from the date, so how would you do that? You can debug dot print. You simply use, if you want to subtract 4 days, so how would you do that? You simply write like -4 from D1. Right now you can see the output. I'm commenting this part. Here you can see that, right here you can see that the date is 10/20/2020 right here, after subtracting 4 days from this date. Right guys, and guys, I have just multiple methods to handle the date and all. So just guys, if you want to if you want to get the days from a particular day, so how would you do that? So for this I have a one method, that is debug.print, that is day. You want to supply the date here. I'm adding this, right guys. Now I'm executing this program. You can see the output. After executing this, you will get 24, because 24 is a day. So if you want to format these days in the just Monday, Tuesday and all, so how would you do that? Format, using a format, and just write DDT. Select. So I'm executing the code now. Sorry. Now you can see that it's Tuesday, right? So this is the format which I have used to just formatting the days. You can also use just formatting the months, year and all, right, with the help of format. If you want to just get the months, you will use month here. If you want to get the year, you will use year here, right? And guys, I have another method, that is date difference. So how would you work with that? Let me tell you. Debug.print dated if, right? So interval, you will simply, I want to just subtract days from the date. So how would you do that? So I just interval as a string, means I want to subtract the days, and here you want to declare the first date. Suppose D1, and the second date I have 10/10/30/2020, right? So you will see the output here. I'm commenting this. You can see that here 6 days, right guys. We have another method, that is date value. So what is the use of date value? Actually, date value converts the string into a date, alright? So means sometimes you have a date in the string format, so how would you convert that date into the just readable date format? So let me show you that how would you use date value. Debug.print, right? I'm using a date value that converts the string value to the date format. So you have to pass a string as a date. So suppose I have a June 12 2020 like this, right? So this is not a date, right? This is only the text value. So date value converts this text to a date. I'm executing this. Now you can see that it's convert this to a date format. Alright guys. So guys, I have another method, that is date serial. So what is date serial? Date serials just convert the numbers whatever you have given to a function. It just that converts to a date. Means I'll tell you with the help of example. Debug.print. Suppose just you have a numbers like in a year you have 2020, right? or in a days you have 1, or in a month you have 3. So how would you convert this into a date? So with the help of date serial you will convert this numbers to a date, right? So how would you do that? Date serial, you have to pass year as an integer, means 2020, right? And you have to pass month as an integer, suppose that like this 2, and days 1, right? So what will happen? So it converts this number to a date, right? Now you can see the output, right? Here you can see that 2/1/2020, right? So this is the date serial functionality, right? So guys, if you want to just change the format, just as per your requirement, so how would you change? I already told you, but again I'm just explaining that how would you convert. If you want to change the format of this date into right, dd and yy, right? Now you can see that here you can see that the format of the date has been changed, right? So guys, this is all about the date, just date functions in the VBA, okay, right? If you have any query or any concerns, right, in the date functions, or if you stuck somewhere in your macros, and just so you write your comments in the comment box, so I'll make the video on that, or I'll get back to you on that. So guys, thanks for the watching. Thank you guys.